Just watching some of the old vlogs. Look at my little Jack. Got big, didn't you, boy?
Got very big. Morning.
Good morning. We need to go and get Ivy Jean now if I can get this car started. Oh my god. Windscreen. Did you struggle getting in then?
It wouldn't open.
What is happening? You're not even in there.
Yeah.
Brilliant. So they were supposed to be in the van, but they're not there. Hello. Hey, Eric. Hello. Hello.
Jump up. Oh, yeah.
You getting on? You okay?
Yeah, all good.
Good.
Ooh. Danny spoke, yeah? And then she wanted that. But we go.
I think the plan is to go to Wetherspoons. I think Ivy wants pancakes. There's no price on it, but I can ask how much it is for you if you want. Oh god, it's started. Christmas is on its way. Quick pit stop off at my car. Had to get the essentials. Hey Eric, we're going on a road trip, buddy. Yeah. Who's going on a road trip? Hey.
Oh, so cute.
Fun.
Oh.
Good.
I'd like to say this is enjoyable, but I don't think she can drive. I feel very sick. I've never been happier to see land. I feel so sick. See you. We lost the dog. It's so windy. What you got in your pocket?
Lots of different sounds.